I knew it, my time is done. Basically, this is game over to all of my channels. Basically, I just have one, and all the other ones which are doing GameMaker Studio content, because now here comes the newest, the GameMaker Coaching. And basically, what does that mean? GameMaker Coaching is a new learning program designed to help you make great games easy. With GameMaker Coaching, you will be able to access a growing library of learning materials produced and delivered by professional GameMaker developers. And that is basically what I am doing all the time, and all the other YouTubers and so on. So basically, I don't know, nothing has changed. Not sure what that thing is. I guess they want to have a marketing spin on, well, coaching, roaching, whatever you want to call that, and then basically repackage the same stuff which we are doing already, but I guess now on their platform. So one of the few games which is doing that stuff is Aaron Craig. So basically, let's learn this together. He's pretty good. W7 Games, good channel by the way, and Mr. Mutaru is also in the package. So basically, pretty known and pretty established and pretty good channels by the way, in making GameMaker Studio, and then they are under the umbrella of the GameMaker Coaching. And of course, here is the thing, which is, I guess, the content of the whole article, which is kind of new. So basically, it hit today, and there will be a webinar, and then there will be following more stuff, and then you can register. And the interesting part is that, for example, if you're interested in that stuff, you can join here. But for example, if you want to get, or would you like to get involved as a coach, then, for example, you could be one of those professional GameMaker developers, and then basically join the party in here. So if you like to do that, hey, you know where to go. There is a link, or I guess there is an email address where to go, and boom, you can become one of those 2 GameMaker coaches or GameMaker Coaching. I guess I understand why this is happening. They want to centralize their stuff on their platform. So basically, the community is a little bit bigger and stronger than their own kind of product, and they try to get that a little bit back. But why not? More content for making video games is never a bad idea. So once again, if you want to check out the newest webinar by Aaron Craig, or for example, if you want to be the professional coach here, then you can actually maybe join them and then be part of this party. So hopefully you find this interesting. Will this be the death of all the YouTube channels? Nah, just saying that they try to, I don't know, centralize their stuff back to their own place. And this is just a marketing spin. So, GameMaker Coaching for the win. So the king is dead. Long live the new king. The GameMaker Coaching King. Alright, that was it from my side. See you around. Have a good one. One up, Indie.